Hello, my name is Yogesh Patsala, and in this tutorial video I'll be showing you how you can set up LinkedIn. So this is your member area, and you can go to your customer portal and then you go to LinkedIn automation, and pretty much other social media, it is more or less similar. You can add your new LinkedIn account, and the same thing like here are campaigns and post data, and the more or less similar options. So if you can go to click on add new LinkedIn account, then they will ask you certain things, and they will ask you two things. One is your client ID, which is your API key, and another one is client secret, and that is your API secret. I'll show you how you can get all these two keys. Now you have to go to LinkedIn developers. So go to this website linkedin.com/developers, or you can go to developers.linkedin.com. Okay, sorry, that's where I have to go. Developer.linkedin.com. So once you are in here, then they will ask you for to log in if you are for the first time, and if you are, let's say, sort of they'll probably ask you to give your mobile number to verify your account also. So once you are here, if you are logged in, then you will go to this tab called My Apps. Click on My Apps. Then if you have any, then that will be listed here, and if you don't have any, then they will ask you, there will be option here to create a new application. So click on Create Application, and then simply fill out all these details. Now company name, you just put your name. If you don't have any company, then put your name, right? And here your name. In short, you give all the details. Now logo URL, you can put any image URL which will act as a logo of your application. I have this, so I just copy this and paste it here. You can put any image that you want, but look what they say here is it should be 80 by 80 for the better resolution. And application use, you can select any application use. I've just put networking or whatever. And then website URL. So again, you can put the globaldigitalopportunities.com here, but here one thing, as like other applications, in case we may change this domain, then you probably will see instruction below this video. So go and look below this video. If you are not seeing anything, then just put global digital opportunities, otherwise put whatever been instructed, and then put business email. Okay, put any email address. Okay, and then business phone, you put any kind of phone number. Okay, and then read, you put your correct one. Yeah, I just put this for demonstration, and then submit. Error. Oh yeah, look, please provide a secure HTTPS URL. See, they want only HTTPS URL, they don't want HTTP. Just like this, otherwise I have to go to find any images that have HTTPS. If this works, then we'll just do it, otherwise we'll find, look, it's worked. Alright, so that is it. Now you got your client ID and you got your client secret. So these are these two keys. Now here, these are the application permissions. You want this basic profile, and you also want W share. W share is basically your application is given permission to post on your behalf. An email address, and this we don't want at the moment. And another one is authorized redirect URLs. And here you will be probably given this URL below this video, so just don't worry about it. But it will be this global slash members slash LinkedIn slash auth. So it should be this. And don't worry about this long URL, it will be provided below this video, but it is this globaldigitaloperation.com slash member slash linkedin slash auth.php. And if you can go there, it will come up something like this. At the moment is nothing, but it will come. Okay, but you put this in here. Okay, so once you put this URL and then press add, so that URL will be added and is added here. So two things: one, check this and add this URL and then update. And once you done that, then you ready. You just take this one, right, copy, and then go to here, paste, and take this one as well, copy, and paste that one here as well, and submit. So once you submit, it will take a while to process all this information, and then they will ask you for authorization. Now see here, this is the image that it will show up. It's the logo one, which was prompted to ask. You put correct image which is HTTP, then that logo will show up. Otherwise it doesn't matter, because this is only you will be using it, no any other person will be using it. So once you've done that, then you have to authorize this application. Now once you authorize, then they will get all your permissions and everything, and then here you go, your account has been added. So this is your profile application, how many connections that you have, and quota. The quota is very interesting thing. LinkedIn has placed a limitation of how much posting that you do in a day, and that is 100 posting that you do in a day, and that will be reset at midnight UTC. And what will happen is anytime that you post, it will be seen here. So how much now is 0, but it will be here. So if it is 100 in a day, then it will stop posting. So you got my point. So there is the limit of daily posting limit of 100 posts a day. Then you can refresh here. For example, if you're getting any error like permission error or like that, then you can refresh your account so that it refresh your permissions and everything. And if you want to delete this, then you just can delete your account from here. Alright, so you add your LinkedIn account here. Now campaigns. And before the campaigns, let's go and to saved post data, because we have to add some data which we can use in campaigns. Oh yeah, it seems they are here already. Alright, so we'll use it. So let's create campaign. And same thing, create a campaign. You give a name. And select everything. Now here, post to your own wall. Now before, LinkedIn used to do allow us to do a lot of things like sending messages and doing this and posting in the groups and blah blah, a lot of things. But now it's unfortunately only one thing they are allowing. It's only to post on our own wall. And if how many connections that you have, they will be shown. Anything that you post, your post will be shown to your connections. And so this is the one we have got at the moment, but don't worry, we'll find. We are also planning to do some offline softwares, and then that might have a lot of other features as well, but at the moment, just only one. All right, so then select submit, and the same thing, you select your title, first post using GDO poster, and then message description. I'll show you what all these things are, but at the moment just take it. This is message description, and this is saved message. Then saved links, any links that you want to associate with your post. Then select any images, and then it will be posted in your wall. And posting scheduling, of course it should be 1 hour. I mean, you cannot post in your own wall like every minute or every 5 minutes. So it should be decent amount of time here. And same thing here, but here doesn't allow campaign end, because it will start keep running until you disable. So this is the only option here. And 24-hour cooling off period, it says here 2 hours, but we have just recently changed it to 8 hours. Why? Because we want to make our system more human like. This is not unethical. I mean, we are totally comply with LinkedIn, Facebook, or any other social media terms of service. But the reason why we want this is because they want human like behavior. So that's why we have placed all these kind of limits, but it's good for your account. And random posting, yeah, making each posting unique. I mean, they add some tags below, in that message, so it makes unique. And once you've done all these things, then create campaign. And once you've done that, it will take a while, and then boom, now it's running. Now they will start posting. I'll show you how it will look like. See, it says here execution, number of execution 1, but it will come up. It will come up the post. If you can go, what is this? If you can go to your file, your so you see, it will come like the live. This is the old one, is 4 day. I done it late previously, but this one hasn't started yet. But it will come like this. Your title, and this is your message here, and this is your message title, and then this is your message description, and this is your link. And any people will click on here, and they will be gone to the link. Now it will not be like this. If you want to do this kind of images, then of course you have to uh, do it manually. You have to upload your images manually. But this poster will place images like this. But again, it's all automated, so it's no problem about that. All right, so that's it really. And we're done with LinkedIn. I know there are not a lot of feature here, but just that's what LinkedIn allows at the moment. But we will also find other ways where we will not break their TOS, their terms and condition, and will give you a lot of other features that you can use for promotion. So that's it, and I'll catch you on another video. Take care.